Have you ever felt like you're paying for something you're not fully utilizing? Perhaps you subscribed to Robinhood Gold for those extra perks, but realized it's not quite what you expected. Well, today, we're going to walk you through the process of canceling your Robinhood Gold subscription. Robinhood Gold is a premium subscription service offered by Robinhood Financial. It provides a range of features, including extended hours trading, instant deposits, and access to analyst ratings. While these features can be beneficial for some investors, they might not be necessary for everyone. Understanding the cancellation process. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand that canceling Robinhood Gold is a straightforward process. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Timing. There might be a specific time frame within which you need to cancel to avoid being charged for the next billing cycle. Refunds. If you've already paid for the current month, you might not be eligible for a refund. Customer support. If you encounter any difficulties, reaching out to Robinhood's customer support can be helpful. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get into the actual steps to cancel your Robinhood Gold subscription. Log into your Robinhood account. The first step is to access your Robinhood account using your login credentials. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings option. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Find the Manage Subscriptions section. Within the Settings menu, you should find a section labeled Manage Subscriptions or something similar. Locate Robinhood Gold. In the Manage Subscriptions section, you should see your Robinhood Gold subscription listed. Cancel the subscription. Click on the Cancel button or a similar option associated with your Robinhood Gold subscription. Confirm cancellation. Robinhood might prompt you to confirm your decision to cancel. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. Additional tips. Check for cancellation confirmation. After canceling, make sure you receive a confirmation email or notification from Robinhood. This serves as proof of your cancellation. Review your account. Double-check your account settings to ensure that your Robinhood Gold subscription has been successfully canceled. Contact customer support if needed. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Robinhood's customer support. Why cancel Robinhood Gold? There could be several reasons why you might decide to cancel your Robinhood Gold subscription. Cost. The monthly fee for Robinhood Gold might not be worth the benefits for your specific investing style. Lack of use. If you're not actively using the features offered by Robinhood Gold, it might be a waste of money. Changing investment needs. Your investment goals or strategies might have evolved, making Robinhood Gold less relevant. Alternative options. There might be other brokerage platforms or services that better suit your needs and preferences. Canceling your Robinhood Gold subscription is a simple process that can save you money if you're no longer benefiting from its features. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily terminate your subscription and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial content. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.